dear student, myself A. Venkatesan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SGC Kadalur. In this video, we're going to learn MATLAB. It is the part 5 video, unit 1, part 5 video. From the first video, we know what is MATLAB and different types of window. So command window is the one of the main window. So now in this video we're going to see some problems how to solve using command window. So before we go to this problem, once again we recall what is command window and how to solve a problem. So first, what is command window? The command window is a MATLAB main window and opens when the MATLAB is started. It is convenient to have a command window as the only visible window, and it can be done by either closing all other windows. How to work this command window? It will be the questionable. So the command window can be used for executing commands, opening other window, running programs, written by the user, and managing the software. So this is the command window working form. So now we're going to open the command window. Suppose if you are open this MATLAB, so the command window exists, looks like that. So this is the command window, and if you want to open that editor window, you just to open the home page and you could put the new window, so it opens the editor window. But we need only a command window, so it is enough for it. So now going to see the problems. So what are the problems we're going to solve? So we know what is the command window. So now going to solve the first problem. So calculate the value. So 3.35.7 into 64 minus 7 power 3 divided by 75 plus 5 square. So now we're going to solve the problem. So now we take this command window and we're going to solve. So let us see this problem. So it having the numerator and the denominator. So we have two different terms. So therefore we open one parenthesis. So already we know what are the instructions we will follow the command window in a video 2. We already will learn. So you make use of this idea and we're going to follow the instruction. So 35.7, we are using multiplication, so we are using star 64 minus 7 to the power 3. So 7 to the power 3. So it is the numerator. We close this bracket and we use the divide symbol, and denominator having the separate one, we use another one, the parenthesis. So 45 plus 5 square. So 45 plus 5 square. So now you give the enter. So we get the value of the solution. So therefore solution of the first A was 27.74. So similarly we can find the second one. So the second one having the two fractional and we multiplying some other term. So therefore we are using the two fraction symbol. So the two fraction symbol is, first one is 5 by 4, 5 divided by 4. It is the one term, and we multiply with the 7. Again we multiply with the 6 square plus having the two fraction value, that is a numerator, one is a separate part, 3 to the power 7, and divide with the 9 to the power 3 minus 652. So why we are using the bracket in between? We have more than one argument, so that's only we are using the bracket. Here there is a single argument, there is no need to use the bracket, but if you want, you simply use this bracket. It is a better for avoid some confusions. So now we enter, so we get the resultant. Suppose if you are entering the same value, suppose if you are copy the same value and you just you copy the same value. If you have put semicolon, the answer will not be displayed. Already we know in a command window, they end with the statement end with a semicolon, the answer will not be displayed. So that's only we should not use the semicolon at end of the statement. So this is the first problem. The second problem, having more arguments is there. So what is the problem here? 2 plus 7 the whole power 3 plus 20, so 273 whole power 2 by 3 the whole divided by 2 plus 55 square divided by 3. So if you are separately, we are using separate argument, or simply if you are put in a single statement means we put each one having some brackets. So the first thing we are using 2 plus 7 whole power 3 plus we are using the numerator and denominator, so therefore we are using 273 one term power 2 by 3 and divide with 2 plus 55 square and divide with 3. So now we enter, so we get the value 1.4159 plus e to the power 404. So similarly we can calculate the 2 power 3 plus 7 power 3 plus 274 3 plus 55 whole power 3 by 2. So now next one is the logarithmic argument and square root argument. So now we are going to see how to solve. So now we clear this window using the CLC command. So now we clear this window. So now we're going to see how to write. Then first we take within the bracket the numerator term. So 3 to the power 7 and multiplying with we are using star symbol, multiplying with the log of 76. We know the log base 10, log base e. It is a log base e form. So simply we are using log of 76. Close the bracket. And numerator is finished, so close the curve bracket and divide with the 7 to the power 3 plus 546. So it is the one argument. So if it is a separate one, so therefore we are using the separate bracket and it is the whole one. So therefore again we complete another one bracket. So plus cubic root of 910. So square root means we are using SQRT. Cubic root means power 1 by 3. So therefore using that one, 910 whole power 1 divided by power 1 divided by 3. So now we enter this one, so we get the answer. So answer is 20.3444. So like that we're going to solve some other problem. So the second problem, that is 43.4th root of 250 plus 25. So like that we're going to solve. And similarly we are using cos square 56.5. Trigonometric function, we know cos value and tan. So now we're going to type this one. And the next one is a defining variable to this argument. So variable is already given. So what are the variables are given? X is given. So x is equal to 13.5. So we're having x value, we no need to display, so we end with the semicolon. Now we're going to find the answers for this equation. So what is the equation? X power 3 plus 5x square